I see the honeys getting married together. There's a big issue with two men trying to get married together. Merry Christmas, y'all. Enjoy your lives together. Take off your wigs. Take off your wigs. Take off your wigs. And express yourself. 'Cause girls like to have fun. And men like to have fun. So, take off your wigs. Ain't nobody tell you had to get married. Just take off your wigs. We don't need no adultery now. If you're gonna get married, you gotta stay down. Take off your wigs.
Take off your wigs.
What you do it for?
What you do it for?
You wanted the perfect mate.
Wanted the perfect mate.
Now they open the door.
Open the door.
Can you prove that you're better than the straight ones? Now take off your wigs.
Take off your wigs.
Can you prove that you're better than the straight ones? Now take off your wigs.
Take off your wigs.
It's a trip that women can conceive and men can't do a thing. Why is it that a man can't conceive? We need a robot to swing.
Woo!
Take off your wigs.
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 Little pigs. Dropping the dime on me so you can shine. But it ain't gonna work if your blessing is a curse. And you cursed your blessing. And I'm calling that me. 'Cause I see what you're doing.